Hi, my name is John. In this video I will tell you about 5 business ideas with little or no startup cost. Many young and dynamic people want to start their own business and become their own boss one day, but due to lack of money sometimes crush their dreams. The 5 business ideas with little or no startup cost are: 1. Consulting business. If you are expert in certain fields such as personal finance, management, marketing or advertising, then you can start your own consultancy firm. 2. Recruitment firm. You can start a recruitment firm from your home, as this business just requires phone connection and few contacts to begin with. 3. Photography. If you are very good at clicking photos, then you can sell your photos online to earn quick money. For this, you just need very good camera and basic internet skills. 4. Tutor or trainer. If you are good in teaching, then becoming a tutor or trainer could be a very good business idea. This business is recession-proof, as education is essential for everyone. 5. Content writing. Content writers are professional writers who produce engaging content for use in online space. So if you have good writing skills, then you can start your own content writing business. So these are the 5 business ideas with little or no startup cost. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.